continue our discussions, building a logic or pseudocode for running in circles, which appeared in Google Kickstart as open to round edge. So if you want to understand the problem statement, you can go through the first part of this video. So where I have explained the problem statement and also the sample data set for test set 1 and test set 2. So here, first we need to define two variables, which to know where the position is and to know the answer. This is the answer, like counter. So keep on increasing or decreasing depending on the distance or traveled. Okay, whether it's counterclockwise or clockwise. And for clockwise, we will let us consider like a positive positions. For counterclockwise, let us consider negative positions. To do that, first look through all the n cases and check whether this direction is equal to C or direction is equal to A. If direction is equal to C, then let us keep the position positive, like position is equal to position plus distance. If it is false, let us go in a other direction. Position is equal to position minus distance. Okay, so let's keep this in mind. And after that, we will what we will do is we will also we need to find like whether it has more with the new distance, right, has crossed the counter or not. For that, let us consider one temporary variable count, and will now position can be plus or position can be minus also, and also it's inclusive of current distance as well. That's why we can directly use that position value, and we'll do a mod operator, the integer division operator on that, and divided by total length of the track. Okay, so once we do that, then we also have to update the new position, right? Because now we got this output which will actually update it, which we will use to update this directly counter. You can update after this also, but I'm updating at the end. Okay, but after this we have to update the position also. Position we need to do a modulus operator. Okay, so for that we need to again consider whether it is a positive or negative. Right now it's in which direction. Okay, if it is positive, then keep it positive only and find the modulus remainder after dividing it by the total distance. Okay, if it is negative, just keep it negative only, just multiply with the minus 1. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, this steps. Yeah, only thing is you have to remember is that keep it positive for clockwise direction and negative for anti-clockwise direction, or you can do it vice versa also, it will also work. Okay. Now after this, like just update this total counter value, which is 0, with the counter plus that temporary value of count, and then repeat the steps for all the n cases. Okay, and this code for Python code for this is in comment section. You can just check out and check out from there. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day.